Have you heard of an airdrop that's not just another drop in the ocean? An airdrop whose project is much more attractive than NotCoin and is much more accurate and precise. Well, buckle up, because today I'm introducing you to something hotter than summer in the Sahara. Meet the hot token. Picture this: an airdrop with a project that's miles ahead of the NotCoin, both in terms of coolness and precision. Today we're exploring the Near Wallet airdrop and how to mine the hot token, a mini app on Telegram that lets you mine for free. And let me tell you, it's sizzling with potential. It's the real deal. The project we're diving into revolves around the Near Wallet, which sports a slick Telegram bot. I'll drop the link to the bot in the description for you. Kick it off and boom, you're in. You'll have access to this mini app where the hot token mining magic happens. Click on the link I provided and you're greeted with a page that sets you up for success. First order of business, hit create an account. It dishes out a wallet address that's practically your Telegram ID with a .tg at the end, and then gives you 12 keywords for your wallet recovery. Keep those words somewhere safe. Copy these words, there's a button for that, and store them somewhere safe, and then hit create. Sit tight while your wallet gets wiped out. Inside Telegram, this wallet has a neat section for mining the hot token, used for transaction fees, among other things, tied up to this wallet. It's gearing up for exchanges soon. Make it tradable and even more exciting than NotCoin. By the way, there's no connection or resemblance between NotCoin and Hotcoin. Hotcoin is just a cool mining-free token on a platform that's buzzing with hype. How do we mine hot? Well, skip the balance part for now. We're zeroing in on the mining capabilities of the wallet. There's a claim option here, revealing details about the hot token. It's the native token of the Near blockchain. Think it has nothing to do with the Ton blockchain. It's like a race. Early birds in the project get a slice of the free token pie. We hit continue, but for now, let's not get bogged down in mining details. A claim option pops up, letting you stack a bit of hot, and after clicking a brief wait, claim gets processed. Now you're part of a village, bagging a 5% cashback, which by joining through the link I left in the caption, you can get it too. It's like forming our little tribe or group, with the Telegram group to join option to boot, making us eligible for that sweet cashback. If joining takes a second, close and check if you're officially in the village. If not, I'll tell you what to do later. And with this membership, you get 5% cashback. Now, if you enter through the link that I put in the caption, you will become a member of the village. And it's like we're creating a tribe together. And we can join a Telegram group where everyone can get this 5% cashback. Now, the project itself has said that later it is going to organize a series of competition between these different tribes. Back to the mini app, where a countdown tells me when I can claim hot again. Every couple of hours, I think 2 hours. Make sure to claim to keep that mining going. Here's where it gets techy. The capacity of our mining pool and mining speed are crucial. Boosting both ensures you don't have to check in too often. Diving back, there's a friend section where inviting your friends benefits you with a 20% cashback from their mining. And you even get a slice from their invites too. To ensure your referral link or join the village through mine, just hit invite a friend or share in the village section. And if you ever lose your 12 recovery words, head to setting for a rescue. Don't miss the apps section for future perks and gas section for transaction, ensuring smooth sailing in the blockchain seas. Alright, that wraps up how to mine hot tokens and join the hottest digital tribe out there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep up with all the hot tokens, and I'll see you in the virtual village. Catch you in the next video.